Terry, tell me a little bit about your McDon 974 Draper Head.
We bought a 35 footer, so we're just getting a little bigger one, a little bit newer. That's why we're selling this one. We bought it 6 years ago, had to put bushings in the reel. We've put all 3 lift cylinders on the reel. New cylinders there. It's got the center belt was put in 2 years ago. The left belt was put in 3 years ago. The right one is torn next to the splice, and we've ran it that way for probably a year and a half, but there is a new belt for it also.
Okay, and you said this can go legacy or
Flagship.
Or Flagship.
Yep.
It's got the plates to switch it, so no matter what combine you got, this
Yep.
head will work, correct?
Yep. We had it on a 2588 for 3 years, and then we had it on our 8010 the last 3 years. So.
Okay, all right. Well, I don't know, it looks pretty rock solid. Been stored inside?
Yes, it has. Yep.
I know Terry's stuff is all, Terry doesn't like combining beans, so he likes to keep his head in good shape.
Yeah.
You don't like combining beans, do you?
No, I don't.
Well, hence might be why we got a 35-foot head. But good 30-foot head here, and it's nice that I know guys buy heads and then they're screwed up and it won't work. So
Yep.
you know, when you have the option, no matter what combine, case IH combine you have,
It'll go.
it'll go. So
Yep.
that's huge in my opinion. And you got
Yep.
the new belt, so sections look good. I don't know if you're looking for one that's pretty much ready to roll.
Yep.
It'll be a good one. Thanks, Terry.
You bet.